Not yet. You need to look around really carefully.
Look around very carefully.
I found this one.
The red one? Good job. Hey, Rainy K. What's your sister doing? Yep, you can leave that on the floor for him to look at, and then you can look around for some more eggs.
No, I can leave it on the floor.
Okay.
But then,
Hey, Sprouts. Nick. Oh, Diddy Kitty. Yeah. Oh.
I found the other.
T, it's alright. Let him see it. It's his Easter too. Can you give him an egg that shakes, please? Yep. Yep, hand him one that shakes. T, can you hand him one that shakes? There you go. Thank you. Yep, just set it on the table for him.
But there's a ball inside of this egg.
We'll see. Are you gonna look for more eggs?
Yeah. What are these?
Did it come out of the basket?
Yeah.
You know what? I think that's Nick's Easter basket.
Yep, I get.
Althea has an Easter basket. Yep, just set it down in front of them. What's up? Oh.
What's in here?
I don't know. I think you should look for more eggs.
I found another egg.
What color is that one?
That's blue.
Excellent. Keep looking. Now, I bet if Nick has an Easter basket, Althea has an Easter basket somewhere too. Off of my lap.
I found another egg.
Excellent.
My egg. It's my egg.
Your egg. Oh, you put stickers on that one last night, didn't you?
Yeah. Another egg.
Oh, yeah, that was Nick's. Okay, I think you're still looking for your basket.
Right here.
No, that's Nick's basket.
I don't know where's my Easter basket.
Well, you need to look.
I found another egg.
What color is that one?
It's orange.
Yes, Diddy Kitty, I get it, and I'll help you in a minute, but you need to stay off of me. Keep looking.
I found another egg in this one.
Oh, no, not those. I see some eggs. I can't tell you.
Where are they?
You have to look. Keep looking. if that's a good idea or not, but okay. I see more eggs. Keep looking. Good job.
I have full of eggs.
You have lots of eggs. You're so lucky.
Can you open this box?
Not yet. You haven't even found your basket.
Done.
I see the basket. You need to look for eggs, Allie T.
There's egg. That's Papa's egg.
Okay. Keep looking. Did you look in all the plants?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
But.
There's Althea's egg.
And this is Papa's egg.
I don't know, sweetie pea.
I found the eggs all in the plant. I got your egg, and I'm gonna put it in the bowl. Where's my basket?
I don't know. You gotta find it. You see anything that looks like an Easter basket?
Yes.
What did you get? Was that in your basket?
Yep.
What is that?
That's gums.
I think it's broccoli pops.
No, it's this. It's this chocolate.
You think it's a chocolate?
Yeah.
Bar Pupio.
No.
Broccolis and Pupios.
Let's take this out.
We don't need that.
No, not with the eggs.
Well, why don't you pull out what else is in there besides Easter grass? See what the bunny left you. Another one?
Yeah.
What's that?
That's a tiny little candy.
I bet it's yucky.
No, it's not yucky. It's good. Another one.
Don't, please don't do that to me.
Another one.
My goodness.
Another one. Green one.
That must be the broccoli one.
No, that one isn't. That's good. It's the chocolate one. Another one.
What's that?
That's candy.
Why did you throw them?